Buck here, and today I'm going to show you how to poach up multiple eggs easily. We're going to go ahead and fill it up with water, almost to the tippity top, and we'll turn it on high heat, get this water heated up. Put our eggs into these little cups, and that'll be easier to add the eggs into the poaching water without busting them. Water's starting to come up. I'm going to go ahead and throw a little bit of vinegar in here, just a couple of tablespoons, and that's going to help our poached eggs to stay together. And the reason for that is science. Alright, so I think my water's hot enough. We got some nice little bubble in there on the bottom. I'm going to reduce it down to medium, and then I'm going to gently, carefully place my eggs in the hot water here. And the more carefully you do it, you know, the more likely it is to stay together. As long as you don't break your yolks, you're doing all right. You're still in the game. So we'll just cover it up. It's only going to take about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. You know, if you go 5 minutes, you know your yolk's probably going to be hard. And if your yolk is hard, then what's the point of poaching your egg? There's no point to poach your egg if you're not going to get a runny yolk.
But some people don't like the runny yolk.
If you don't like a runny yolk, then poaching ain't for you. So it has been 3 minutes. Just loosen my eggs off the bottom of the skillet here, which is why using a non-stick skillet is a good idea. Now ideally you'll have a slotted spoon, but all I got is a spatula, but it's gonna work. We're just gonna set it on a plate here. Sounds like my toast is coming up. Look at that, perfectly poached eggs. Look how jiggly they are. Look at this yolky goodness. Super duper perfecto, nice and saucy. That's just the way I like it. Thanks for watching and subscribing. We'll see you in the future.